Capital One mobile app, how to download and log in. So basically, if you want to download and log into the Capital One mobile app, all you have to do is first go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Capital One. Now if you're from the UK, you should download the UK version of the app. Otherwise, you can also download the US version of the application. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and then open it up. You will see Capital One interface like this. Over here, you simply have to tap on the Get Started button, and you simply need to enter your card number and expiration date. Tap on the next option and enter your username and password to basically go ahead and then basically log into your Capital One mobile banking account. Otherwise, you can go to check your eligibility and also apply for mobile banking. Otherwise, as I said, you can just tap on Get Started and then you will be able to view them. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.